Hi, my name is Mervyn. I'm the Business Development Manager for Amsted Reelin. We are excited about launching a new product, which is the Amsted Motion Control Bogie. We've done some tests and we're excited that it has fared tremendously well. This is Reesh Naidoo.
Hi everyone, my name is Reesh. I am the Commercial Officer for Amsted Reelin. And I'm going to talk a bit of the products we're currently involved in and currently have commercialized in South Africa, together with the localization opportunities that we've had and delivered on. And additionally to that, they're the safety implications of our product.
Fantastic. So we are at the Rail Safety Regulators Annual Conference, safety being a topic. How are your products related to safety?
In terms of the bearings, we have a AAR approved bearing which has met the Transnet specification, and we've been supplying Transnet engineering for Transnet Freight Rail since 2008 with a bearing that was fully assembled in South Africa, and today we are the majority supplier to Transnet on bearings, and we are very proud to say that we don't have a single non-conformance to our name. Added to that, we have never had our bearing cause any derailment.
So it must be quite a big thing, because derailments are caused for a number of reasons and bearings would be one of them.
Absolutely, it's not uncommon, but we are very proud to say that our safety measures and our quality systems in place prevent that from happening.
And what other products do you have that impact safety?
An additional products that we do apart from the bearing is what Mervyn alluded to, was the Motion Control Bogie. It's a three-piece bogie that has a self-steering mechanism that has just gone through its local Transnet test, which is based on a European standard, and has come through with absolutely flying colours.
Fantastic. So, Mervyn, explain to me the concept of self-steering.
Okay. This bogie is designed to steer according to the motion that the train is traveling in. We are excited to say that it's a concept that can prevent wheel wear, especially when it comes to maintenance and having a long life on your wheel. So we're excited that this bogie that we have, which is the motion control, we know that after having this tested, we at the safety conference, so if we get back to that, we did some safety tests and we did some dynamic testing, and we've tested it up to over 110 kilometers an hour on current Transnet tracks, and it fares exceptionally well. Even on the curves, because you're talking about steering. If we come to the curves, we've tested them on high speeds as well. I'm not going to give you too much of information on the speeds, but we have tested it on some high speeds, higher than normal speeds that Transnet runs at, and it fared exceptionally well also when it comes to that.
And you guys are about to embark on a road show?
Yeah, we'd like to launch this bogie. Our intention is to localize, that's the intention. It's a bogie that we're very confident in. It's been used in the US for a number of years, and it's a fantastic bogie that we think would work in SADC and in South Africa especially.